So now that we've had a go at the warm-up, we're going to be looking at multiplication. And learning intention is, can I write some number sentences using an array? When I'm not, I've used the words number sentences because we're not just thinking about multiplication, because when we talk about multiplication we can also use things such as repeated addition as well. So it's a mixture of multiplication and addition sentences. And for those people who really understand how we can look at an array and see the multiplication and repeated addition sentences, can you also use that information that we've got there to also give to write some division sentences as well? Okay, so that is the learning intention for today.